So here's the thing. As music teachers, we love what we do, teach, but we can all use a boost in our business when it comes to getting students and increasing our income. Are you ready to learn the strategies to make it happen? I'm Glory St. Germain, and I'm inviting you to join me in the live 90-minute Ultimate Music Teachers Business Booster Workshop. If you are a music teacher looking for ways to create a boost in your income, tired of hearing strategies that just don't work for you, and you want the done-for-you system that actually does work, you're in the right place. In 90 minutes, you will learn the strategies to organize, promote, and energize your teaching studio. You will have the proven action plan to boost your income right now. Invest in yourself to grow your business. Sign up for the Ultimate Music Teachers Business Booster Workshop right now, and I'll see you on the inside.